Welcome back, Snizzlers!
Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are doing a taste test, but also a try not to burp challenge.
Dun, dun, dun. Who loses that all the time? Me.
Yeah.
Every single time. We've never tried either of these before. I've tried something similar.
Yeah,
like cherry Coke.
I've tried the cherry Coke, and Dr. Pepper's basically like Coke. So this one is Dr. Pepper Cherry Crush, 0 sugar.
Yeah, 0.
Oh, what's up in there?
What's up in there?
Blame that fully on you. We'll be trying that 0 sugar as well.
Limited edition. Rare on that one. And you're going to fizz it up. Bang. This is Fanta Pear. Neither of us are a fan of pears, anyway, are we?
No, but I saw it on the shelf and I was like...
We've not tried that before.
Yeah.
We've already tried, 5 different fizzy drinks as no burp challenges, I think. Including some as a taste test for things we hadn't tried before. So I think what we'll do is we'll open the can, split it between the glass each. We'll try and drink that first as a taste test, see what we think, but also then finish the half glass each. Get some glasses I made earlier.
Actually, I did. I just washed them up.
Ooh, first time for everything. Right, ready?
No, we didn't show them. We didn't show them the can.
Yeah, it went like this.
Did you?
Yeah.
Ah.
Fanta Pear. Okay?
Mhm.
Now pay attention. You trying to hit me?
No.
Straight to violence for you, innit? So strong. Tell you what, we should have chilled these in the fridge. Should have chilled these in the fridge.
Yeah.
It's not, I mean, it's cold-ish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. No. It's weird.
It does smell like a pear.
It smells exactly like a pear.
Hmm.
You like you don't like pears, do you?
No, I don't. I was just going like agreeing with you.
Oh, you're agreeing. Right, let's try and get these level. Who's going to lose this one, do you reckon?
Yeah.
So the aim isn't to drink it. Well, you try and drink it as fast as the other. Oh. Brain isn't working today. Oh, I've just missed the table. Missed the cup, I should say.
Missed the table.
No, but my brain isn't working today. I can get my words mixed up. Right, that's not a lot in there, is it really?
No.
Right, there's one for you. One for me. Go ding.
That's what it looks like. We.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you might want to go to the doctors if you get fizzy wee that stinks of pears. Right. No burping, remember?
Mhm. It's not too bad.
It legit tastes like pear.
Yeah.
Totally tastes like pear.
I remember when I used to eat pears in my infants.
Yeah.
And I just didn't like them anymore.
No, I never. I don't know, pears are okay. Is it like when they're cooked in like a pie? When you eat them like an apple, no. But you can poach a pear.
What's that?
It's like cooking it in water, like boiling it basically. With like syrup or something. It's okay. I definitely couldn't drink. I wouldn't pick this by choice at all.
Are you struggling yet?
No, I'm struggling with the taste. Don't want to drink anymore because of the taste. Not because it's fizzy. It doesn't feel particularly fizzy either.
No, it's not even that bad.
No. But like, yeah, I don't know. Are you getting on?
I'm closer to winning. Only got that much left.
Do you think the Dr. Pepper cherry one's going to be better?
100%.
I don't do well with not burping. I can already feel it. Like here. Like you?
Kind of. Like whenever I drink it, I can feel like the bubbles go down.
Yeah.
No one's coming.
I don't think I've ever won one of these challenges.
It's my
It's gonna
belly
be
then.
yeah.
My belly just burped, but like inside.
Oh God, I really want to burp. Yeah, I really do.
We've barely had any, and
We've had put it together. We were about the same, weren't we?
we've half the can, and you
I
can
never drink like a full can of anything. The taste. You're gonna have to swirl these glasses out. That's cheating.
It's not because I finished it.
Where's the rules that say you can fart?
It's always there. It says you can't.
Okay, so we're allowed to fart. Okay, good to know.
Yeah, we're allowed to fart, but just not burp because it's a no burp challenge, not a not
Okay.
fart challenge.
You'd still, yeah, I think you'd lose the no burp challenge, no fart challenge. You're just always farting. Oh, yeah.
Says you. You just he leans to the side like that. It goes on if his left or his right leg bum thing, and then just lets it out in my direction.
I wanted to soak into my cushion.
And he does it on my bed as well, and it stays in my mattress for ages.
Good night, Chlo, darling. See you in the morning. I sit down in your bed and go, you have a good night. See you in the morning.
And it just reeks for ages.
It does, doesn't it? Good times. Right. Right, just go swill him under the tap.
You sound so weak because you try not to burp.
Let's give it a swirl under the tap. You only spent half an hour in there.
Okay.
Right, I'm going to listen out for you burping.
I'm going to listen out for you burping.
Bah. I can hear. I'm okay. Today. Feel like I want to burp.
Huh?
Feel like I want to burp.
No, you're not.
No, you're not. Right, let's get this bad boy open.
Oh, there's more left in it.
Don't tip the water out. Don't want watery Dr. Pepper. Shocking. Can't get the staff anymore. Honestly. Done. Took your time.
Took your time.
I think I'm going to do the McDougal's for tea.
Oh, yes, please.
My oven's knackered. The oven switch on the wall ain't working. So they're coming out to fix it tomorrow. So unfortunately, I think we're going to have to get a takeaway for tea. Well, by we, I mean me. I don't know what you're going to have.
I'll have some as well.
Will you?
Yeah, I will.
You're going to have the scraps. Yeah, I've got a bunch of beef skin in there.
No.
Mm.
And our cupboards in our kitchen is just like fell.
Yeah, yesterday I was washing up the cupboards. Right. Oh. I really want to burp. Have a whiff.
That smells alright.
But I lose the first challenge.
Yeah.
We're doing it separately.
Yeah.
Do you want to clear the pipes?
I don't need to.
Yeah, you can just let it all out your bum. Should have been a bartender. How high can you go? Look at that, I'm good, I am. A bit more. A bit more. Oh, I'm glad I burped when I did. So I lose that first, the pear challenge.
Mhm.
We're going to try and drink it faster this time. So I think the quicker you drink it, the more you struggle to not burp.
Yeah. But we need to taste test it first.
Yeah, just a little sip. Right. It smells good. It smells just like Dr. Pepper. Unsurprisingly.
That's good.
Yeah. Mm.
It just tastes like Dr. Pepper but cherry. Because it is.
Yeah, I'm not a fan I can immediately taste the zero sugar, you know, the fake sugar that they put in it. And I swear that makes me real, like, dodge. Yeah, aspartame or something it's called. So the sweetener. Yeah, I don't know. Jeez. Right. Marks.
3, 2, 1. Chug.
We need some music on the background. Is it quiet in here?
How have you done already?
I win because I chugged it first. No, was it first to burp or?
First to burp.
So I win
It's
then
all-
because I was first to burp.
Yeah, first burp loses.
Yeah, I did chug it. So do we split that a point each because I finished first? We really need to be really kind of on it with the rules. We need to get a board up here that's got the rules of the no burp challenge. Because every time we do it, the rules change, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. You burped yet?
No, but I feel like I want to in a minute.
What's that? It's like the ghost burp. What was that one? Was it the Pepsi?
Yeah.
Was it Jack? No, it was you that did the ghost burp, wasn't it? You went.
It was one of us, I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's a Pepsi challenge. Cool. Well, Fanta Pear? No. That's a no from me. Not particularly a fan.
I'd say it's alright, but like I also wouldn't really go for it.
You wouldn't
Like,
go anyway,
if you're like you love pears,
It
Yeah.
tastes exactly like
it
pear.
literally tastes exactly like identical.
Yeah, fair dues to Fanta. I mean, Fanta, I like the orange Fanta. Lemon Fanta, everyone raves about the lemon Fanta, but I don't think I've ever tried it.
I haven't tried that one.
Maybe
either,
that's
I
what
don't
we'll do.
think.
We'll find one of those somewhere. So, no, that's a no from me. Yes, I mean, this is just Dr. Pepper with cherry. I mean, it's quite nice, wasn't it, really? Apart from, you know, I wish they didn't do a zero sugar version. Yeah,
Why is it called limited edition? What's that mean?
the flavour Cherry Crush. I'd imagine they don't do it regularly. It's just Dr. Pepper normally, isn't it? So, yeah, you like it then?
Yeah, I like that one.
I'd have it again.
You spilled half of it on the table then.
No, that's the pear in it, but I dripped it. So, right. Ooh, you're well hard, you are.
Yeah, I am.
See how well I do. Ready?
Mine's better.
Look at that.
I didn't even have to use the table to do that.
Spilt some on the top, on your top.
You're horrible.
Right, we're in the business snizzles. Right, next time. What's the next video? Spicy pizza challenge, isn't it?
It's either the spicy pizza
Or the bean with that thing.
Things,
Yeah. I don't know where I put them. Right, anyway, I'll do. Oh, it's got my hand in there again. Right. Look, it's only here as well.
Ow!
Right, we're going to in a
See
bizzle
what I
snizzle.
mean? He's horrible to
In a
me.
bizzle snizzles. Ready, steady. In a bizzle snizzles. Good turn off then. Then. Today. Did I mess your hair up?
What do you think?